Geometric highlights are a great way to draw attention to important product details without adding unnecessary decoration. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Start with a simple background. Then open the Elements panel and search for circles, squares, triangles, lines, and other geometric shapes. Use a few larger shapes behind the product to establish the main visual area. Then add smaller highlighted shapes around the price, discount, product features, or call to action. Upload your product image and position it prominently in the center of the layout. Add a bold headline, a short